I've been using this device all day long when I'm in Japan. The battery life does impress me. I can use it more than 15 hours, early in the morning until late night. Press start. Hey, what's up guys, it's Junchin here, and today I'll be reviewing a portable Wi-Fi. Today our special guest, our special product is the Roaming Man. From Malaysia, by the way, you can see their store in Malaysia, KLIA 1 and KLIA 2. As you can see, this is a goodie bag. Inside must be contain some goodies. A luggage tag. You can jot down your name, your address. Oh, I wonder what is this. Oh, this is a passport holder. Look at how cool it is. You can still put your card over here. Wow. By Roaming Man. The Roaming Man G4 comes with a 5-inch display screen with 12mm ultra slim body. It has a non-removable big 3900 mAh battery, can be charged with a Type-C cable, and it supports quick charge too. Fully charge time takes around 3.5 hours. The first look of it, I thought it's an Android device, but look at it. You're thinking what I'm thinking? This device has a Google Translate that comes in 12 languages and is super useful most of the time. Hi, nice to meet you. So let's say if your Google Translate is not loud enough, you can use the volume button to adjust the volume too. It has a Google Map. It's the same function as your smartphone's Google Map. Wait a minute, you haven't planned anything yet while you are traveling? Fret not, there's a TripAdvisor app in this device too. Just by using this cable, your portable Wi-Fi can be turned into a power bank. Yes, but don't overuse it as it's a lifesaver tool for you. Only use it when your phone almost died. What I mean die is less than 10%, not less than 70% or 50%. This portable Wi-Fi can be connected up to 3 devices such as your laptop, tablet, smartphones, and so on. The most important part is download speed and upload speed. I know it's not the fastest Wi-Fi on earth, but it's more than enough for me to use Google Maps, Google Translate, and any other apps. I've been using this device all day long when I'm in Japan. The battery life does impress me. I can use it more than 15 hours, early in the morning until late night. And I can see that the device is trying to tell me
I can do this all day.
Yeah, I know.
their customer service is really responsive. If you have any problems, you can always contact their customer service. It's 24/7 online via WhatsApp. There's no contract fees, there's no commitment. It's just a portable Wi-Fi. Alright, so that's a review for the Roaming Man portable Wi-Fi. Special thanks to Roaming Man for giving me a chance to join their G4 exclusive trial program. If you want to check out the device, or if you want to check out the Roaming Man page, you can check out in my description below. I will put a link down there. It's Urgent here. Let's go here. Peace out. See you guys in the next video.